Maybe you set a budget, but by mid-month, you're left wondering where it all went. Enter PocketGuard, the budgeting app promising to not only track your spending but also find hidden subscriptions sucking your hard-earned cash. Sounds like a lifesaver, right? Well, before you dive headfirst into downloading PocketGuard, let's take a critical look. Because while it has its perks, there are some hidden costs and limitations you might want to consider. Limited customization, a one-size-fits-none approach. Imagine buying a new shirt, but it only comes in a single size. That's kind of how PocketGuard's free version feels. You get the core functionality of tracking spending, but you're stuck with predefined categories. Let's say you buy groceries and some household items at the same store. PocketGuard might categorize everything as groceries, making it harder to track how much you're spending on specific things. This lack of customization extends to savings goals. The free version limits you to just one. So, if you're juggling a dream vacation fund, emergency savings, and a car down payment, PocketGuard won't help you visualize your progress on each. Upgrading to PocketGuard Plus unlocks these features, but that adds a monthly fee to the equation. Cash transactions? Not PocketGuard's forte. We all know the convenience of swiping a card, but sometimes, cash is still king. Maybe you frequent local farmers markets or flea markets. Here's the catch: PocketGuard relies on syncing with your bank accounts. Cash transactions become a blind spot. Sure, the paid version allows adding manual cash accounts, but it's an extra step that other budgeting apps handle seamlessly. Security concerns: sharing your financial data. Any app that tracks your spending needs access to your bank accounts. PocketGuard assures users it uses industry-standard encryption, which is good. However, some people might be uncomfortable with the idea of a third-party app having access to their financial data. If that's you, PocketGuard might not be the most comfortable fit. Investment tracking? Look elsewhere. Building wealth involves not just budgeting but also investing. While PocketGuard tracks your spending, it doesn't integrate with your investment accounts. So, if you're looking for a one-stop shop for managing all your finances, PocketGuard might leave you wanting. Free versus paid, a balancing act. PocketGuard's free version offers a decent starting point, but some of the most powerful features are locked behind a paywall. Upgrading to PocketGuard Plus unlocks manual accounts, custom categories, multiple savings goals, and bill reminders. However, this adds a monthly cost that might negate the appeal of a free budgeting app. The verdict: PocketGuard can be a tool, but not a magic wand. PocketGuard can be a valuable tool, especially if you're new to budgeting and want a simple way to track spending. However, its limitations in customization, cash handling, and investment tracking become apparent as your financial needs evolve. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial goals and comfort level with data sharing. Remember, budgeting is about taking control, and PocketGuard should be a tool that empowers you, not restricts you. Consider exploring other budgeting apps that might offer a better fit for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.